Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix could not delete Snap. Please try again later. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you check your Snapchat up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Snapchat. If your Snapchat not up to date, then update from here. Press on update and wait for completion. After updating, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, then search here Snapchat. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on clear data. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat. Hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.